The jungle is my domain. I faced venomous snakes, raging rapids, and scorching deserts. But nothing quite prepared me for this. 24 hours in complete darkness, no light, no escape. Just me and my senses. Could I survive? The challenge was simple, yet daunting. A test of mental fortitude and sensory adaptation. I sealed myself in a pitch-black room, the door shutting with a heavy thud. The countdown had begun. The first few hours were strange. My eyes, usually my guides, were useless. Every other sense heightened. Sounds were amplified. The gentle hum of the refrigerator, the creak of the floorboards. My hand brushed against the wall, the texture surprisingly rough. I stumbled around, bumping into furniture, a clumsy dance in the dark. It was frustrating, but a small smile crept onto my face. I was adapting. Time became fluid. Minutes felt like hours, hours like minutes. My mind, starved for visual stimulation, started to wander. Shadows danced at the edge of my vision. Was that a rustling sound or just my imagination? A wave of unease washed over me. Isolation can do that to you. It makes you question everything. As the darkness stretched on, a new feeling emerged. Anticipation. The promise of light, of the challenge ending, kept me going. I began to count down the hours, then the minutes. Each tick of the clock brought me closer to the outside world. And then, it happened. The door creaked open, flooding the room with blinding light. Relief washed over me, followed by a wave of disorientation. My eyes, so accustomed to the dark, struggled to adjust. It took a few moments for the world to come back into focus. The colors seemed brighter, the sounds sharper. I had been through the fire and emerged, blinking on the other side. Lessons from the dark: gratitude, perspective, and inner strength. 24 hours might not seem like a long time, but in complete darkness, it's an eternity. The experience taught me the power of gratitude, for the simple act of seeing, for the beauty of the natural world, for the connections I have with others. It also gave me a new perspective. We often take our senses for granted, but they are precious gifts. Beyond the challenge, applying the experience to everyday life, the darkness also revealed my own inner strength. I learned that I am capable of facing my fears, of enduring discomfort, of pushing myself beyond my perceived limits. These are lessons I can carry with me in all aspects of my life. A call to explore, embracing discomfort for personal growth. We don't need to spend 24 hours in darkness to learn these lessons. Sometimes all it takes is stepping outside our comfort zones, trying something new, facing a fear. It's in these moments of challenge that we truly discover who we are. The enduring power of darkness, a reminder of our resilience. The darkness may seem daunting, but it is also a reminder of our own resilience, our capacity for adaptation, and the enduring strength of the human spirit. So embrace the unknown, push your boundaries, and never underestimate the power that lies within you.